Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smith. I'm the security officer here at Barnard. I've been working with CPS for about the last decade, and I've been at Barnard for about the past 3 years. I'm excited for the opportunity to learn differently and assist everyone in being safe and responsible here at school this year as we try to transition or eventually transition back into the school building due to the COVID-19. As you can see, I'm here in the hallway, or part of our hallway, leading up to the second floor from our main corridor area. That's my station is next to the main office. So as soon as you come into the building, through the main entrance on Charles, you'll see me. I'll buzz you in. And with the COVID crisis, I will also be doing temperature checks in the morning. So, that'll be something new coming back here at Barnard that we'll do as we enter the building. Like I said before, I'm excited to get the opportunity to meet each and every one of you all when we return back here into the building. So don't be afraid to say hi. I don't bite. Pretty fun-loving, easygoing type of person. Would like for everyone to be mindful of our expectations coming back. Masks are required. If you come up to the building, please have your mask on and up over your nose, as you see I do. It is to help to prevent the spread of the disease. So whatever each of us can do is greatly appreciated. So I invite you to check out my hallway classroom. Take a look around, click the various links. There's information there from CPS and Barnard as well that will help you get acclimated to the things we're doing as we look forward to reopening, whether that be in November at the end of the school year, or even maybe next spring. Thank you, and it's nice meeting you all.